Hi, this is Nicholas Irachi, the Home Source Guy, president and owner of Source Development, Inc., a residential and commercial construction company in Garnerville, New York. And this is, do you have to remove ceramic tile before placing or installing peel and stick tile? And yes, you absolutely do. But if you live in an apartment, I'm going to give you a different idea. Maybe you want to avoid the demo process. So let's say you did want to put peel and stick over tile. It's not that it's not physically possible. They have feather finishes. They're Portland-based levelers that you can fill in the grout joints. But what happens in time is that the grout joints, whether it's through expansion and contraction, they end up coming through the peel and stick tile. So it'll leave you with not a very good end product. So what you want to do is you want to sort of encapsulate the tile, cover the tile with a backer board. Now this is a Wonderboard backer board. It's Portland based. You could apply it with thinset. So you make sure the tile's clean, apply thinset to it, and stick the Wonderboard over the tile. Now again, this is in case you don't want to do the actual demo process. You know, if you live in an apartment, you want to do an application that'll make it stick, but an installation is only as good as its base. So I'm not recommending that you don't take off the tile in its entirety. This is just a method to get around that. So once the backer board's down, you can apply this Ardex leveler to fill in the joints and level off the surface. Now there's two surfaces to the leveling board. There's a rough surface and smooth surface. Obviously you want to use a smooth surface if you're installing vinyl tile. That'll give you the best surface to apply the vinyl peel and stick. And lastly, if you did apply the tile over the vinyl tile over the ceramic tile, what would happen is the adhesive might not even stay. So it's really a good idea to remove the tile. This is the Home Source Guy, helping you build a better life, and we'll see you next time.